Hey guys, Aaron here for the Love of Tech. Now, I just got done taking this picture right here. Look at this picture. It's absolute garbage. I remember thinking to myself, why is this camera such garbage? Why is it that it can't even take a proper photo? The lighting wasn't horrible, it wasn't great. Low light activated a little bit, not all the way. And I was just like, when is it ever gonna end? When are we gonna get the camera that Samsung promised me at launch? Right when I do it, I said to myself, you know what, it's a long shot, but let's check for a camera update right now. And that's what I did. I checked for a camera update, and lo and behold, I had one sitting there waiting for me. And look, there it is. This is the ATCT update that everyone's all talking about, right? We've got security, software included too, device stability improvement, bug fixes, new or enhanced features, further improvements. Let's install this guy. Nowhere does it say on my version that there's camera updates, but this is the update that it's supposed to actually have camera fixes, intense camera fixes. So let's go ahead and hit install now, and let's see what it can do. So it's moving right along here, pretty snappy, pretty quick. I've already taken my melatonin gummy bears for the night. So let's just hope that this doesn't take all night, because I just might fall asleep waiting. We are back, loading it up, turning it up, starting it up. I don't know, but we're back and we're recording a darn video, and I'm hoping that there's some sort of camera difference improvement update. I mean, I hope it's just not a security update, but that's one that everyone's been talking about. And I will say, from the time that these updates are getting pushed out, the updates have to go through the carriers. It's taking me about 7 days from when I actually get actual whispers or confirmations that these updates are hitting the airwaves to when my Samsung Verizon device actually gets it. This is an unlocked unit, but it is tied to a carrier because it has a carrier SIM card in it. If I take the SIM card out and I try to update it sooner, I don't know if that's gonna make any difference. I've tried it before. Last time I took the SIM out and I tried to update it, and it didn't give me the update any quicker. So here we go, we're optimizing 3 of 501. What that tells me is there's 501 little small tweaks to maybe big major changes that have happened within this device. So I don't know if I can find all 501. There's probably a lot of under the hood stuff, but you're here for the same reason I'm here. Is the freaking camera any darn better? Come on, Samsung. You give me this camera, 108 megapixels, but yet Gabe can sit there, whip out his 11 Pro Max, snap a picture instantly, no autofocus wait time, no tapping to hold to get it to focus, none of that mess. This phone can't take an amazing photo, but it's like you gotta find the right angle, the right spot, the right distance, and right when you find it, then you snap the picture. You're like, wow, that's really good. But like phones like the OnePlus or even my Pixel 4 XL here, pull it out, I take a picture, it's so quick, it's so snappy, it doesn't even matter. This one makes me wait forever. I don't like it, considering the price and the amount of megapixels they crammed into this thing. If megapixels don't matter, which obviously they don't, look at the iPhone, look at the Pixel. They don't have a boatload of megapixels jammed in there. Still take amazing photos. If megapixels mattered, this camera would already be amazing and win in everything. It's not winning in everything, and I'm hoping this update makes it win in everything. All right, guys, so we got the camera all updated as much as it can be, and we're gonna go ahead and take some pictures. I've got 3 subjects here. I have this, my little Android guy. I've got the little BB-8, and then I've got my Louis headphones, and we have Viper, our YouTube plant. So we're gonna go ahead and try to confuse it and see if the autofocus is actually any better with this update. Thanks Nomadic Gear for supporting the channel. I'm kind of known for spending a ridiculous amount amount of money on luggage and high-end backpacks. Then I came across Nomadic bags, and I absolutely fell in love with the Nomadic backpack, and now I'm in love with the Nomadic Carry-On Pro. This is a 2-bag-in-1 type of deal, and it will not disappoint you. If you're in the market for some new luggage, a messenger bag, or a backpack that's big enough to take on a trip and still carry on the plane, then look no further. Take a moment and check them out. Link is in the description. Don't forget to click on the red sale link at the top of the page. You'll thank me later. Back to the video. This is on the 108 megapixel. Yes, the 108 megapixel, it doesn't do well with close-ups. It really doesn't. It's such a big sensor. It does not do well with close-ups. But once you get it locked in, it really can take a pretty good picture. Like, that was actually kind of a tough shot, but it took a lot of work to get it to focus on that. And it shouldn't take that much work to focus. It's the whole point of a smartphone camera, to have amazing autofocus so we don't have to do the work. It's still kind of jumpy. You guys can see this for yourself. The autofocus is still kind of jumpy, but I don't know if it's gotten better. I mean, it's definitely, I feel like the camera, it's acting better, still not where I want it to be though, if that makes sense. I would want it to be a little bit more robust, if you will, when it came to the autofocus, but I don't think it's doing a horrible job. I'm really putting it through the test here, and it is still taking a minute to autofocus. Not a minute, a couple seconds, whereas it's not as jumpy. I'll go ahead and put a little comparison up as to what the autofocus used to look like compared to what it looks like now, and I'll let you guys tell me in the comments below if you think that it's worse. I guess I kind of gotta say, I think it helped a little bit. I don't know if this was the specific major camera update that we were expecting, but this is definitely the one that we got, guys. If you like this video, or you want to see more of me or more videos just like it, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. If you like this video and you really want to express your love and gratitude, go ahead and hit that melatonin gummy bears are kicking in. If you liked the video, hit thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, go f yourself. Till next time, for the love of tech, namaste.